now. Hopefully you can hear me. The wind is really crazy. So a little update. The first location wasn't too great because of the wind. So we decided to come to a different place that I know, which is called Futo Coast. And we're planning to shoot sunset and some stars here. So we're gonna check the location now. See how it goes. The wind shouldn't be too strong here, so it should be better. We can find some place to get shelter. Alright, 1 hour to sunset. We're already at location number 3, which is beautiful, but the weather is not cooperating at all. The wind is so strong. I don't even know if you can hear anything that I'm saying. So we're kind of stuck. We don't know where to go, and it's less than 1 hour from sunset. So we started up with a lot of time on our hands, and we ended up rushing around as usual. So no matter how much you scout a location, you never know what's gonna happen, really. So, as I said, this place is beautiful, but the wind is so strong you can't even put your camera down on the tripod. So, long exposure is out of the way, and even normal pictures are quite difficult. We have sea stacks around us from any direction, and it's a pain not being able to actually shoot them in peace, but I mean, that's normal when you talk landscape photography. It's never gonna be perfect conditions and perfect light. So I know another place just down there where we might be able to get shielded a little bit from the rocks. So we're gonna try and go there, and that should be the last place we try for today. Hopefully it's not too windy there, and there are some really nice sea stacks. So if we'll ever be able to arrive and to shoot something, I'm gonna continue the vlog. Otherwise I really don't know. Alright, see you in a bit. God! The weather is great, but it's also too bad. Look at that. Sunset is happening right now. but the wind is so strong that there's not really nothing you can do. I tried to set up my camera and shoot some kind of obvious composition there where the sun is setting, but you keep getting sprayed by the water. We have falling rocks from here, which is pretty dangerous. The tripod moves, this other camera moves, so it's actually pretty sketchy. I don't know what to do really. And there's not so many clouds in the sky, so you cannot even get those nice wide shots. So I don't know, maybe today it's one of those days where you cannot get anything that you want. I'm also out of focus, as you can see. Right, this should be better. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going. I'm not gonna vlog anything because it's just too hectic. So I'm gonna try another couple of compositions. I might just give up. I don't know. If I get anything good. A massive rock just fell down there next to my friend. Yeah, better get moving. Not the best day, but definitely better than staying home. So I'll see you later. Was unbelievable. I just came back to the car. My friend is still shooting. He's shooting a time lapse, so it's gonna take maybe another couple of hours. And yeah, it was really hard just to, you know, settle down and just look at the scene itself. Was really hard. So, I don't feel too bad because I already shot this location many times, but I feel bad for my friend. Anyway, I'm just sit down now. I'm gonna sit down, enjoy the sunset, and put on some warm clothes, get something to eat, and then if the wind goes down a little bit, I might try and shoot some stars tonight. Otherwise, I think I'm just gonna sleep and try again tomorrow for sunrise. I think the lesson today is you cannot always get what you want, but it's always worth trying. I think I actually might have gotten 1 or 2 pictures that I like, so it's all good. Anyway, I'll see you again in the morning, hopefully with no wind. Morning. It's the next day and finally it's not so windy anymore, which is a good thing. We tried some astrophotography last night, but it was howling. The wind was absolutely unbearable all night, so we did try a little bit, but I'm not sure any picture came out really good. But this morning, as I said, the wind is not so strong, so we came up this cliff we also visited yesterday, and the light is pretty good. There's not a huge amount of clouds in the sky, so it's not really interesting, but I'm still sure we can get some pretty nice images. So at the moment I'm trying a long exposure of this coastline here that looks nothing but Japan. It looks more like some kind of Australian coastline or New Zealand coastline, which is really interesting. So it's still pretty dark, so I'm trying a really long exposure. It's 8 minutes, f8, ISO 200. And yeah, and then I'm gonna try a little bit more on this side and see what I can get. I'm not sure I'm gonna get to vlog everything because the light is changing pretty quickly, so I want to catch as many pictures as I can while I'm here. So wish me luck. Alright, so all in all, I think the morning shoot went pretty good. The light was really nice. We didn't get a huge amount of clouds, but we got clouds exactly in the place that we wanted them, so that is good. We got some wide shots, and we also got some tighter shots with the telephoto of some of the details in the coastline. Obviously I didn't have the time to vlog any of that, so you just saw the pictures. You let me know if you like them or not. So yeah, the light is quite harsh at the moment, so maybe it's over for the morning. Nonetheless, I'm gonna go down again and check another location and see if I can shoot some other pictures, and then I think we're just gonna go for breakfast, probably have a bath at the onsen, at the hot spa, because the night was really chilly, so we need to warm up a little bit. So yeah, all in all, everything was good. I'm glad I stick around, even if the wind was crazy yesterday. I'm really glad we didn't just give up. So I think that's a good lesson to learn. So as always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and consider subscribing. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.